Hey guys, this is Ralph from Tires Wheels Direct. Don't forget, subscribe right below our YouTube channel. We'll be showcasing these Weld wheels and many more that we sell on Tires Wheels Direct. So check this one out. This is the all famous Laguna wheel in the size 17x7, offset 0, 6x139 with a 106 centerboard, gloss black with milled, Laguna 6 drag. This is for trucks. I'm going to showcase the 17.7 and then later the 1710, which is the rear. This is the staggered setup for most Chevy Silverados or performance trucks. So whenever you shop on the front wheel, make sure to shop S15370084P25. It'll take you straight to this front wheel. And then for the rear, you shop S15370084P25, and it'll take you to the rear wheel. The rear wheel is a 1710 with a 25 offset, 106 centerboard, 6x139, gloss black milled, and Laguna drag 6. So I'll showcase both. I'll weigh them too. I'll give you the lip size, so that way you already know. And if you guys have any other questions, or you have another wheel that you want me to showcase, comment below. Pop these guys out. So these are ready. Pull it out of the box. So this is the 17x7. Take this out. So Laguna 6. So you will see here, and just so you know, in each one of the boxes you'll have your hub ring. So if you do have like a Silverado, these are 106 centerboard, so these are hub rings that you put on before you put the wheel on, so it's hub centric. So that's the 17.7, TPMS sensor compatible, conical seat. It's a gloss black with milled on the inside. The cap is a push-on cap with the O-ring to hold it down. Weld engine, a sticker on one of the lips here, and it's a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spokes with a split in it. Put it up, Weld, and then the center cap to go with it. It's like a billet style center cap. Let me give you the lip size on this wheel in the 17x7. So you're at 1 inch on the 17x7, and I'll weigh it at the end once I pull out the 17x10. So I'm gonna put this down here so that you guys have it. So this is the 7. I'll pull out the 10. See the difference in the lip sizes in the 7 and the 10. There we go. There we go. This is the 10. There's that. Here's your 10-inch wide wheel. So your Laguna 10, 17x10, Laguna 6, and with the same cap, conical seat lug nuts, with the TPMS sensor compatible. Let me give you the lip size on the 17x10 wheel. You're looking at from the face to the edge of the barrel, 2.5 inches, and then from this step right here, you're at 1.5. So there you go. So this TPMS sensor compatible. Another thing I forgot to point out on the 7s and the 10s, both the 7s and 10s, they all have this bead grip. So it's kind of like, so you can lower the pressure of your tires, and this kind of holds it back from popping out. So those guys that want to run low pressure to grip on the track, this is a good wheel. Good looking wheel, 17.7, 17.10, great stagger setup for those trucks. Let me give you the weight of these wheels. So first I'll do the 10s. So 1710 weighs in about 25.5 pounds. There you go. And the 17.7 weighs in at 27 pounds.